What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over Gala games. Currently sitting at 0.02595, up about 9% on the day. Seeing market cap 853 million, 24-hour volume 112 million. We are currently in a nice little long trade for Gala. A signal was given in the Discord. You can gain free access at the end of the video. So off that low here, we have a 1-2 pushing up into 3. Looks like we've completed a 5-wave move. We're pushing up into resistance. Of course, you can push a little bit higher first, but we could pull back from here if that does happen. Look for a bounce in between 0.02319 and 0.02494 before pushing up, breaking that resistance up in a wave 5, and that will push us up towards our TP1, which is at 0.02831. Basically, what I'm looking for to happen is inverse head and shoulders, and then see you later for Gala games. That's why I think it's a likely scenario. It's looking good for that to play out. So in the short term, if we do pull back from here, here's your bounce zone to watch. Push up in a wave 5 and break that resistance, and then see a deeper pullback and basically put in that right shoulder before continuation back to the upside. That's what I'm looking at for Gala games. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. 10% back on your fees on every single trade when you sign up through my link. Top of the comments, send me email after your first deposit. It can be $10, $100, $1,000, doesn't matter. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, as well as Forex signals. And we have a community here of getting close to about 3,000 members. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.